Hi, my name's Disha, and this is my third year at Sparkling Minds. I facilitate the science learning area, which we call SIE, which is Scientific Inquiry and Experimentation. Um, if I have to, talk about my journey in Sparkling Minds, I must say that it's been a great journey of learning and growth, and it's something that I can just never trade for anything else, right? Um, One of the key things that really brings me back to Sparkling Minds every single day is that the space, the environment is so dynamic and enables so much growth and learning for every individual within the system. And when I'm saying every individual, it includes the facilitators, the children, the parents, all of us, right? And it is this space which is so empowering. And enables us to bring ourselves completely and constantly work towards becoming better versions of ourselves, so that we can work towards what gives us meaning and purpose, and work towards the vision of revolutionizing the education system for our children, is something that I deeply value, and it constantly brings me back inspired every day to contribute to the system. I used to work at a corporate company a few years ago, and I remember feeling extremely unhappy with what I was doing. And for me, it kind of boiled down to the education system. And when I came across Sparkling Minds, when I say education system, it at that moment for me, I was questioning the whole system that I had been through, right? And I was like, why is it that I am already at a job and I'm feeling unhappy about it? I could have possibly, figured out the kind of career that I really enjoyed or that I really wanted to pursue. And so yeah, that was a big question mark in my head at that point. And when I came across Sparkling Minds and I saw how the child is kept at the center, and the learning is catered to the child, by the school, along with parents holding the other end as well, and ensuring that the child is completely nurtured from both ends and is not being pushed from one end but not supported on the other end, or having an imbalance that way, and the child is being held completely. I was completely drawn towards it, and I it made sense to me, and I believe that every child deserves that kind of an education, that kind of a nurturing in their growing years. And I think that gives me a deep sense of purpose and meaning, to what I do here every day, and that is what brings me back to Sparkling Minds every single day. Yeah.
Purva, and this is my second year at Sparkling Minds. I mentor the language team and the library, and I also facilitate the learning area called English Language Arts and Communication, and also Circle Time. So, a little bit background about myself. At some point, I realized I want to work with education, and I did an MA in education. And we studied a lot of things from curriculum to pedagogy to assessment. To to the aims of education. And after that, I was looking for a place to work where all of this actually can come together for the child, for that learner, for whom it matters, and about whom that we are talking about, right? So I wanted to work in a place like that. And a little later, when I had children, I wanted my children to study in a place like that, to grow up in a place like that, where all of these things. So what are these things that come together? I was looking for a place where there is a system which is connected. So curriculum, what we decide, then pedagogy, the way we do it, and then assessment, what we actually finally assess. Like, a lot of systems can do something and say something and teach something, and then finally what is assessed is what you have marked up, or then it doesn't make sense. So that, and then values through which all of this can be achieved, and it doesn't seem like something that is just utopian or something that is not possible. So that is one of the reasons I just love to come to work every day, love to learn and grow in that process. The other reason, like I said earlier about whole stack, is that I feel like I can come and I can live and work as a whole integrated person. I can bring my whole self. I don't have to hide. I don't have to disconnect parts of myself from each other. And not just with myself, I can also encourage and expect the children to do this. So these are the reasons why I love coming to SM every day.